Rolf teach you then?
Come on, Double D! Ralph wants to celebrate! Check out Baryshnikov drop here! That's my horse!
It's your horse! It's your horse!
Like this, Double D!
Okay, Ed, it's my horse! May seem you do look marvelous.
Spiffy!
This is too rich!
Rich? What's rich?
Wilfred's rich! He looks like $1 million! Yeah!
Hello, Ed boy. Why must you spoil Wilfred with his lavish monkey suit? This will only lead him to search for a life as an airline steward.
Monkey suit?
Speak to Rolf.
Yeah, Double D! Speak to Rolf!
Oh, there you are. Call it crazy, but it was a chore, if you will. A handwritten request by Father. We communicate through sticky notes. Rolf respects your vow to uphold the sticky notes of elders, yet you must be punished. What is that, Rolf? The hat of discipline. Do you live in a cave? All is forgiven. Thank you, Rolf.
Oh, look! We found another note!
This is a...
Must think I'm stupid! You're both in cahoots to steal my magazines!
And what will we do with your magazines, Eddie? My hat! Oh, dear! Oh, dear. I hope you're decent. Pardon me. Excuse me.
Get back here, you wiry little...